Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. Pudgy Penguin coin is standing at a very important support level of 0.03031 area, and it's a last area, guys. Do or die zone for this coin. That is the reason, as you can see, Bitcoin lost the uptrend, and many other coin are losing and losing their important support level. But this coin is still standing here. It's a sign of strength, but another thing I'm just going to tell you in this video, that is the sign of weakness. And a very important video it is. If you're holding this coin, make sure subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. Let's start here. This is the bigger picture, 1 week frame it is, and you can see we are having correction and resetting the indicator that was highly overbought. And you can see we just jumped down from like 46 to 30, almost 29 almost. Okay, so this is the area to hold. As long we are here, we can expect the good things from this coin toward like 56, 67, and even 80h. But overall, you can see it is not bouncing much from this zone, and still struggling to hold this. It is just struggling to hold this area. Overall market situation is not in a favor of bulls. As you can see, everything is just bleeding, and there's a lot of shakeouts and manipulation in the whole market. So what we should do, simply guys, I'm not going to touch this coin here, because I will wait for the proper reversal pattern and proper breakout from 36 to 37 area, and then I can just jump. But even another scenario is more time here, like it's a weekly frame, so 2 3 weeks more here would be a very bullish for this coin if we hold this area for almost 2 3 weeks more. Okay, and then we can expect a major upside. But next week is just going to be important, and currently this is a 1 week chart and 5 day left to close that candle. Okay, and this candle is currently showing a red, so we can even expect a little bit more downside wick toward 28 or something. But we need to wait, and we need to watch for the confirmation that either we have to buy this coin or we have to sell or whatever. Okay, but if you are in a profit on Pengu, you can just take a profit. And if you are holding for the long term, like it's a very strong coin, so it can continue its uptrend in a next couple of weeks. We can even expect for the long term, mid term, this coin could go to the 80h. As you can see, it is the highest performer in the whole crypto market. Okay, so what is the downside if we lose this area and we close on weekly frame below that zone of 28378? Guys, straight downside toward like 17. The first one is 22, and the next is just going to be 18. Okay, and I think we can go downside even, but nobody can tell you before the breakdown or before the proper confirmation. But currently the level to hold is 29, and this was the update for the Pengu, that for the long term it's okay. For the DCA, you have to sit into the cash. Like if we lose this area, then you can just enter here at 22, and even at 18 or something, that would be a great entry for this coin and opportunity. If we get any major dip from the market or crash in the market, then this is going to be a greatest opportunity for the Pengu coin. So it was my thought and analysis about the Pengu. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.